In this lesson, we will learn how ChatGPT can be useful for HR executives or HR managers or the HR department. If you are looking to hire someone and you want some screening questions, you can easily use ChatGPT. With that, you can also draft a welcome message, let's say for a new employee joining next week. So let's see how ChatGPT can be useful for this. So here is our ChatGPT, new chat. Now I'll write some prompts. Let's say we are hiring a senior software engineer and looking for some screening questions to assess their programming skills. Because obviously we are hiring for a senior software engineer. So guys, you can write we are hiring a senior software engineer. Can you suggest some screening questions to assess their programming skills? Now let's see the result. Okay, here it is. Some great screening questions are provided by ChatGPT. Okay, here are some screening questions to assess a senior software engineer's programming skills. Okay, now we can also write a welcome message. Let's say we have a new employee joining. Here is the prompt. We have a new employee joining next week. Can you help draft a welcome message for their onboarding? We can also mention, let's say, as a senior software engineer. So the results are more specific. Can you help draft a welcome message for their onboarding? Okay, so here it is. Subject, welcome to the company. Employee name on behalf of the entire company. Here the name of the company will come. We are welcoming a new senior software engineer and other details are mentioned for a welcome message. We could have also written at the end, keep it short. Okay, this looks fine. You can copy from here, regenerate from here, or you can mention ChatGPT that it is a bad response. So in this way, guys, we can easily use ChatGPT for the HR department. Thank you for watching the video.